Welcome back guys. In this video we are going to see how to install the latest version of Android Studio. Open your Google Chrome and write Android Studio download. And click on the first link. Now here you can see Android Studio Koala download option. Click on this and scroll down. Check this box and click on download option. Now you can see here the app has started to download. This one you can see in download history. This one. So our download has completed. Just click on this and open it. Now click on next. I am unchecking this box because I don't need any virtual device, and then click on next. Then select the location where you want to save it. I want to install this pack in my local disk D, and I will create a new folder for this with name Android Studio. Click on OK and click on next, and then click install. So our install has finished. Click on next. If you want to start your Android Studio, then check this box, click on finish. This will automatically start your Android Studio. So our Android Studio is starting now. This is the latest version, Koala. Let's see if any error comes in our project. So create a new project here, give any name and wait till it gets sync, and wait for some time till our project get sync. If any error comes, then I will try to solve it. So our project has built. I haven't faced any problem in this project. If you faced any problem in installing the Android Studio, then please comment down. I will try to solve it. Thank you for watching the video.